Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassill, and I am home for one more day, but I will be back Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday I will likely be home again. Our kids are not yet eligible to return to childcare, so we're continuing on this COVID adventure that many of you have experienced so far. So I really miss you, and I really appreciate the hard work that you've done in my absence. I can only imagine how random it feels, and I know it is not as motivating to try to do work that feels random when your teacher isn't there to help convince you that it's worthwhile and that you can do it and to help you. So, um, today we're going to keep working on the FTC sim. So, the next one for you to work on is the sensors. So, wait, oops, I had to open up here. Here it goes. So this one is more complicated. Some of you are still on the previous modules. Please keep working on those. So what I've done every day at the end of the day is I check your progress and I update those grades. So the due dates are to give us some pacing so that we make some progress and so that you know when I will post a grade for these particular lessons. These are not insanely hard. They follow the same logic as the blocks you've been using, but it is different, and if listening to the video tutorial isn't your jam, I know it can be really difficult. So please don't give up. If you are still on the first one, on the FTC intro, do that one, okay? Keep working on that one. Finish that one first. Same thing with the FTC movement. This one is really great. It helps you practice a lot of those things that have to be repeated as you go through code, and is really worth doing. The sensors gets fun. Now you are able to start doing some interesting things, okay? So this is your goal for today. If you are done with the FTC intro and the FTC movement, start the sensors module today. But if you are not up there, keep working where you are at, all right? And then I'll continue to update those grades. We are getting close to the end of the semester, so there will be some real due dates coming, but we'll talk more about that when I'm actually there with you in class this week. So as for right now, that's the only grade or only assignment that's posted for today. The sensors lesson does have 10 lessons in it, like the movement one, so it's a little bit longer. So it's not due today. We'll continue working on it in class tomorrow, and we'll talk about what our final projects will look like in here. Again, I really appreciate your continued hard work. Many of you have had to go home or have had to quarantine or isolate. Many of you have had COVID or have had family who have. Um, it's not fun, and the complications that it causes, we're experiencing one of those right now, which is what happens when it's your teacher, or your teacher's family. So, thank you so much. This is not how I envisioned these weeks going either. And I empathize with you, for those of you who are struggling. And I can't wait to see you again. So keep working hard, do good, and I'll see you all soon.